welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry. And thank you. I can't thank you guys enough. 2,000 thank yous. This morning I woke up, we're at 1,998 subscribers. We're only 2 away from 2,000, so time this video comes out, hopefully we're at 2,000. It might be in the next couple of days. Guys, it's been an awesome journey. I really am enjoying this. One of the things I like to do when I bring this camera out here, because I feel like I'm actually talking to somebody. I got people hanging out with me. It's a weird feeling. At first, it was hard for me, but now I feel like you're standing right next to me. Roy, I feel like you're standing next to me. Tim, Mark, all you guys keep commenting. I feel like you guys are standing right next to me. So thanks again, all of you, and for all the new subscribers, thanks for jumping on board. Hopefully you enjoy this channel. You know, this channel it's all over the place. I do a lot of sawmill stuff. I've been doing some super split videos. The other day I did some making charcoal videos. It's whatever I'm in the mood to do. So we're working out at my daughter's place out there. You'll see some more videos of that, but we got some exciting news about that whole project. And we'll talk about that later. But I'm letting the mill warm up right now while I'm thanking you guys. And like I said, I just can't thank you guys enough. I never even thought we would ever even get to 100, to be honest with you. When I first started doing this, I thought, I'll just document what I'm doing with the sawmill. Family wants to see it and so forth. And next thing you know, we have 2,000 of you lovely souls out there watching us. So again, guys, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Can't express enough. We'll see where it goes. Does it go higher? Does it go lower? Some days we do lose a subscriber or two, but who knows? I'm going to keep making these videos because I enjoy doing this. But nothing else. What do we have on there today? I have this gnarly looking white pine. It's not a good looking pine, right? Not real good. But I have 3 little guys on the mill, or on the log deck, and I have a nice big white pine that's 18 inches in diameter, a little over 12 foot long, might be 14 foot long. But back to that pine has been abused by some pine beetles. This log has been abused by pine beetles, and we're going to have holes in these boards, and these boards are nothing but decorative. This will be a siding for the side of my friend's outhouse. See if we can find one of those pine beetle larvae. I'll show you. You can see this is all the waste. Looks like sawdust. So let's see if we got any pine beetles. Yesterday I was out here just poking around. I found a big larva right under the bark. I suspect it might be a little deeper this morning. Look at all that. So all that came from inside the tree, guys. So remember that last video, or I don't know if I even mentioned it. In fact, this video will probably come out before the other one. But this is a shame. That's a shame. I have another video next week. I believe it comes out this Tuesday, a couple days. Nice log, but completely ruined from the pine beetles, from the larva. See if anything down here. Look at that. Wow. Alright, we're going to get this going. Oh, don't step on that little guy. Let's find him a... Go, go, go. Come on, find yourself a spot. I don't want you to get stepped on. Keep going, keep going. There you go. Right there. Oh, I can't see it. There we go. All right, guys, there's a pine beetle larva. I cut it in half. There's another one. Cut that one in half. So that's what they do. Here's another one. Right there, you can see that one. And that's their compressor. There's some more. Disgusting.
You can carry that on for me. There you go. We're gonna put it right where Uncle Jerry went. So once you start walking. Watch where you're walking. Yep, you're gonna go all the way down to the end. They're not heavy, they're just long. Then set your end down. Watch your fingers. Okay.
All right.